Hi everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and there's Robbie. I've got really bad allergies, so my voice is kind of weird. I'm going to show you guys some SpongeBob stuff that Robbie just found. Here is a SpongeBob Squarepants Jolly Fishing SpongeBob. Oh wow, so you lift his arm. He has a fishing net and a squid, I think, with him. Wow, it makes all kinds of noises. There he is. And this is $12.97. And then Robbie's got some Krusty Krab crew socks. You get 2 pairs inside of here in this box that looks like it's got a Big Mac in it. Does it show what's inside?
No.
Yeah, there it is. Let's see what's inside there. You get 2 of those, and that's $9.96. The next one is SpongeBob Squarepants and Flying Dutchman minifigures included. So you got a ship and those tiny minifigures in there. I'll blow it up so you can see them. Wow. I like this. Deluxe vinyl. This is for ages 8 and up. Let's see the back. There's the back. Ship glows in the dark. I didn't know that. So this ship glows in the dark. And I'll do that next. They'll like that, Robbie. Robbie found a Chucky Halloween thing. Okay, so... Sorry. This is Nickelodeon SpongeBob Squarepants collectible figure set, and there's 6 pieces. So it's got SpongeBob in his underwear, SpongeBob playing a guitar, Muscle SpongeBob. He's jellyfishing. Is that what it's called? Jellyfishing. And this is where he's it looks like a robot chef. And is this the one where he split his pants? Yep. There they are. 6 pieces. And they're $16.97 for all of it. All right, here's a SpongeBob baseball cap. It says "Me Hoi Minoi." It's got a SpongeBob tag on it. This is $10.97. All right, the next one is, wow, they just got all these in. SpongeBob movie surprise blind bag, and you can get one of these figures. This is for ages 4 and up. And it's they're $7.48 each. This is paint and display SpongeBob Squarepants. So you can get him and paint him the way you want him. Comes with the paints and the brush. And this one is $5.97. So we have this is metal. This is a Nickelodeon SpongeBob Squarepants double wall stainless steel can. Diet Dr. Kelp. Can't eat without your drink. So it's a sipper. You open it up and it's a sipper. And this is $10.93. Then they have the smaller SpongeBob Squarepants Fun with Food figure. I have some of these. It has a surprise inside. And it's $6.98. I think that's all the SpongeBob stuff. And I'm shopping at Walmart in Haines City, Florida.